Let's make a DIY chemical-free surface cleaner that will have your home shining and clean in no time. This cleaner will rejuvenate greasy stovetops, dirty mirrors, window glass, and so much more. This simple cleaner is made with white vinegar and boiled or distilled water. You'll need a tablespoon, a funnel, two 12-ounce spray bottles. I keep one upstairs and one downstairs. And of course, your liquid ingredients of vinegar and water. I got these colorful spray bottles at IKEA years ago and have been reusing them ever since. They were super inexpensive and you can put them in the dishwasher, which I love. We'll also be using a measuring cup that can hold at least 2 cups of liquid. This one is very helpful because it has ounces and cup measurements. If you're missing any of these items from your kitchen, you can easily go to a thrift store and typically find some of them at least. And the hunt is so satisfying when you come upon the thing that you actually need and you're reusing that item. Let's get to it. You're going to take your white vinegar and pour 4 ounces into your measuring cup. You can do this on a scale as well if you have one of those, but again, it's not necessary. Next, pour 8 ounces of water, boiled or distilled, into that same vessel. When you boil water, it removes impurities and minerals, which will leave smudges on your surfaces. Open up your spray bottles and fill each one, leaving about ½ inch below the rim of the spray bottle. I made these batches one at a time, so let's speed up the next one. Honestly, I think distilled water is probably better than boiled, but I am too lazy to go to the store at this point, and boiled water does just fine. After you've filled your bottles, put the caps on and give them a good shake to incorporate the liquid within them thoroughly. The last step to this awesome DIY cleaner is to label the bottles. I like to write exactly what's in them ingredient-wise and also put the measurement or recipe below that because sometimes I forget what I did. This particular natural cleaner has a strong vinegar scent to it clearly, but unfortunately, it's not a good idea to add any essential oils to this because they will leave residue. Not to worry though, the smell does fade over time, and give your hands a good rinse with soap to get it off of your skin. In the occasion that you have a super greasy job to clean, I would add 2 tablespoons more of the white vinegar. This will give the cleaner a stronger astringent effect and cut the grease a little better. Side note, always test surfaces, especially natural or man-made stone, before you use different cleaners. Perform a spot test in an inconspicuous and out of sight area before you do the whole surface. I know for a fact that this is friendly to my own countertops, so I can go ahead and use it without fear. The best type of material to use with this spray, or any other spray for that matter, especially in the kitchen or on mirrors, is a microfiber cloth. They're super soft and won't scratch your surfaces, and they also, just for some reason, do a better job at shining surfaces, especially mirrors and glass. You may have to do this a couple times depending on how dirty your surface is. I even tried it on this plastic label maker and it did a great job of removing fingerprints and different grease spots. Just a little spray will do you, and give it a buff, and there you have it. The spot is gone. When it comes to your stovetop, that is definitely an area with extra grease on it, so remove the grates before you clean and try to get rid of some of the crumbs and chunks of food that may have fallen in before you do your shining. This will definitely ensure the best cleaning job possible. Do chemical cleaners work faster? Absolutely. But with a little elbow grease, you will have super clean surfaces in no time, without damaging your skin, your lungs from heavy fumes, or the surfaces that you're cleaning. Bonus, this spray also works really great on the stainless steel part of your refrigerator and stove, making it shiny and gleaming. Check out the end result of this natural 2-ingredient cleaner. It's nice and polished and looks almost new. And my countertops are now free of smudges and fingerprints. Hooray! Subscribe for more easy home and garden, DIY, and creative projects. Thanks so much for watching.